Here at Water Floods Restoration, we developed a complete disaster recovery system serving the U.S. with a variety of restoration services from emergency response for hurricanes, floodings, mold remediation, fire and smoke restoration, trauma-biohazard, reconstruction, and construction. We have state-of-the-art equipment and expertise that is built off of years of experience, helping communities rebuild from natural disasters and accidental catastrophes. We are a fully licensed, insured, bonded, and certified company. Our cornerstone is restoring properties, residential, commercial, and industrial, with the latest education to serve the ever-changing markets and disaster sizes.
Our home was severely damaged in the last hurricane. Our roof caved in and everything was wet. The walls, the floors, the window treatments, everything. We didn't know where to start. We called Water Floods Restoration, the disaster recovery team, and they immediately gave us a sense of relief. Even given the hazardous road conditions from the storm, they were able to come out immediately to begin work. They worked around the clock, drying out our home and remediating all the areas where the mold was growing. And they're licensed, insured, certified, and bonded, so I knew we were in good hands. They even handled all of our insurance billing too. Now we're getting ready to wrap up all of the renovations in our kitchen. I can't thank Water Floods Restoration for everything that they've done for me and my family. They took a stressful situation and made it into a smooth operation.